What's up? It's me. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. And if you have been here before, well, thanks for coming back. If you've been paying attention to my Instagram stories, you might have an idea about what this is about. Super excited. So today we are going over none other than the Jaclyn Hill palette. I am so excited. So I do have her first one. Absolutely love it. And so when I saw that she was coming out with the second one, I was just like, I have to have it. And it was so funny because my mom had just gotten done complimenting me about how well I've been doing with like money and being so grown up and just doing good, making good decisions. And then I was like, well, by the way, Jaclyn Hill is dropping another palette with Morphe, and she's, oh, and I just knew. But look at this, like this shade right here, Tipsy Girl, I believe, yes. And then this red, the Living My Best, where it's like red, but it has like a light, like sprinkle in of glitter. Yes, all the colors. All the colors, so much fun. Same formula, I think she said is the last one. Like this is her formula that she's made special with Morphe. In addition to this new eyeshadow palette, she also came out with, I think she said 15 more brushes, which I got. She said she was going to be coming out with a video about them. Still waiting for that, Jaclyn. If you see this, you probably won't. I'm not that big yet, but they feel just as good as the first set that she came out with. They look the same with the white handle and then the silver with her initial Jaclyn Hill. So loving that, and I like that this set came with like a pretty decent size spoolie. So yeah. We are going to go on. I have a look planned out. It's probably gonna have some fallout. I'm just saying it. It's the colors. Most of them are pressed pigments, I think. We have a breakdown on the back of the box, and I'll kind of go over that here in a second. But I'm gonna go on real quick off camera, lay down powder so that it'll catch all that fallout, and I'll be back. I'm back. Okay, so. I got a lot of powder on my face. My nose started tickling. So here is what the unit cartons look like. Pretty simple, basic, the same silver white that she has had before with her picture. Gorgeous. I believe Lipstick Nick is who did her makeup for the shoot for this whole collab. So the ones that are pressed pigments, and when they're pressed pigments, they're just considered not safe for use around the immediate eye area. And as I've said before, it just means don't put it in your eye, that some staining might happen. They just have to put that because of the ingredients. They're not like normal eyeshadow ingredients. So the ones that are that, let's see if I can do this and hold it up at the same time. That's a lot of work. Okay. So Powder City. Okay. So we have Comfort Zone, which is this one right here. Feeling Myself, which is this orange shade. Positivity, which is this like corally pink. My Man, one next to it. Heart On, which is this pinky red. Therapy Sesh, which is this purple. Gorgeous. Lolly Mama, which is this pink. Tipsy Girl. Next, Dance Party, Stay True, Not My Journey, Oh Hello, Living My Best, which is the red. Living My Best. No Joke, which is the yellow. And Crazy, which is this like burgundy, like ox blood kind of color. So yeah, quite a few are made for not around the eye area. So you just want to be a little more careful with those. Yeah, this is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. I'm super excited. Okay, so we have what it looks like 4 face brushes, 1 like eyebrow brush, and then the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, the other 10 are eye brushes, and on the back of her box, it kind of says what they are. So on her last box, the last brush collection that she did, she really, like, on the box, it said what they were. So, like, if it was a blending crease brush, that's what it said. These ones have a little bit more fun names. So, it's like the Sweeping Beauty, an Undercover Lover, Powder Player, Through Thick and Thin Brush, Slightly Shady. So, like, they're a little bit more fun named. So, yeah, we are going to go on and get into this look. I'm super excited. We're going to start with, I think I'm gonna start with Not My Journey, this darkest purple right here, and like outer crease to like make that my first color. So could be a big mistake, but hey. It's just makeup, it washes off. It's fun. So I'm just gonna, dip into that. Picks up quite nicely. Ooh. You can see there is some, let's see if you can see it. There is some fallout in the pan, not quite a lot. But like I've said before, I just kind of tap it back into the pan. That way I can use it again. So we're just gonna hold and then bring that in. So I want to start light. I don't want to pack it on too much at first, not like a light color, but I want to start light and then work my way like in the outer corner. I want to really build that. For being a purple, this blended pretty nicely. I did have to work just a little and kind of build in some areas where it did get patchy. So like right at the top of this arch, it did get a little patchy. But other than that, it was pretty nice. Purples are harder to formulate. That's why I'm bringing that up. The next color I'm going to go into is this Tipsy Girl color. This like super hot pink. And I'm just gonna load it on the inner, well, outer to like middle. I'm gonna go back in with a clean brush and just blend everything out now. Go back in and deepen that purple. It's not staying as like vibrant as I wanted. It's kind of becoming patchy the more I work with it. The purple and the pink just aren't blending the way that I want. Like you can see how it's like kind of patchy looking. Like this eye isn't look like this eye looked pretty good compared to what I want it to look like, and then the other eye is just like not having it. But I'm glad I did put down the powder because you can see there is quite a bit of fallout from these colors. Okay, so last color I'm going to go in with for like the main look, not my inner corner highlight or brow bone highlight, but I'm going to go in with this white, and it's certified. And it's not like a stark white, but it's like, it's white. I'm just going to put that on my inner corner and bring it in. Okay, so I'm gonna go on and wipe off this powder, and then I will be back to do the under eye and highlighting. Okay, so I'm gonna go on and bring Not My Journey down underneath. And now I'm gonna go in with a little kind of inner corner kind of highlighting brush, just a little bit of a boop kind of brush. This is her new one, her JH52. It's a lot, if not the same, as the JH39. So like here's the one that I use for my inner corner highlight. Let's see if I can. There's, top one's the one I have used before, and the bottom one's the new one. Maybe a little bit longer and a little bit more tapered at the end, like comes more to like a flat point, but that could also be from shipping. So we'll wash it a couple times and see if it takes on its true form. But I'm gonna go in, I'm in it, which is this shimmer here, and it looks like it's a white, but then like once you use it, it has like a holographic like pink shift to it. And since I used pink in my look, we're going to use it. We're just going to tuck it right in there. And bring it along the bottom to meet with that purple. Using it as a little bit of my highlight. She did it in her photo shoot, so I'm just trying to see how it looks on moi. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see it. I don't know if it's picking up in the light, but in the mirror I can see it. It's like a little hint of purple. Ooh, and I love the way it looks like a lavender, like, bam. Oh, it looks good. Okay. So those are, I know I didn't use many colors, but I feel like I did have some trouble with the purple blending with the pink. But purple is just hard to use, and I haven't used a lot of it, so it's definitely just a learning curve for me, so I'm gonna have to work on it. But I do like how the white like just added a little something. I probably should have added, looking back like 2 minutes ago, I probably should have like started with the white before the pink, but hey, we learn through this. There we go. Whiten that a little, make it a little bit more lilac-y lavender. So yeah, super fun. Does not go in my outfit at all, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish this look up, and then I will be back. So I'm back. Here's the finished look. What do y'all think? So I like it. I don't think it's my favorite look. It's different than I'm used to. I do colorful looks, but it's never like, I've never done this, okay? I've never done really purple, bright, hot pink. I've done like a peachy pink kind of blown out before, and I've done like bright colors, but nothing like this. So this was kind of like a challenge to blend the purple. I think if I could have, it probably was me, but if I could have blended that just a little bit better, because when I tried to blend, then the pink would go away, but if I put the pink back, then the purple blending looked choppy, so it just wasn't where I kind of wanted it. But I'd say if that was kind of more how I was imagining it, then this look would be everything that I imagined. So I am a fan of the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, and I'm super excited to get to play around with it even more, see what looks I can create. I have a lot of new palettes that I'm hopefully, now that my favorite blister is gone and my skin is almost done from its sunburn, I should be able to be posting, like making videos every other night. So hopefully I'll be able to start doing more, and so I'm hopefully going to be doing either another Jaclyn Hill look or a like from my mint collection again, start doing that. I have a lot of looks that I have in mind that I have written down in a notebook so that I can just mark them off as I go. I do have some planned out, some creative ones and then some more normal ones and then some like wedding date night looks. So I have a lot planned and in store for you all. So if you all don't mind, go on and hit that subscribe button so you can see those videos when they get uploaded, and then hit that notification bell so that when I do upload you get notified about it so you don't miss any of my videos. Go on and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more tutorials, reviews kind of like this, and then yeah, go on and follow me on all my social media. They're going to be down below in the description box, and I hope you all enjoyed this. I enjoyed kind of sitting down just playing around. I'm really excited like I said, and I hope you all have a great day, a great night wherever you are when you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!